In today's unpredictable world, equipping ourselves with practical survival skills is essential. Let's explore 5 key strategies to enhance our resilience in the face of uncertainty. First, practice embracing uncertainty. Start small, like navigating without GPS when you can. Over time, you'll build tolerance and adaptability. Second, connect to a greater purpose. Whether it's spirituality, a personal cause, or community, having a deeper focus can stabilize your mindset in chaotic times. Third, trust your coping abilities. Remember, humans are incredibly adaptable. Recognizing your resilience can help you face challenges with confidence. Fourth, prioritize self-care. Good sleep, exercise, and social connections are your foundation for handling stress effectively. Finally, practice mindfulness. Stay present and focus on the moment to reduce anxiety and make clearer decisions. By following these tips, you'll be better prepared for whatever comes your way. Start small. Embrace a little uncertainty today. Reflect on your purpose and trust yourself to adapt. Preparedness is a journey, and you're on the right path.